Welcome everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see the mnemonics or short tricks to memorize the examples of animal kingdom. So in the first board, we will see non-chordate examples, and in the next board, we will see chordate examples. Now, animal kingdom is not tricky, but memorizing the examples is difficult. That's what the students' feedback is. Now, I made some codes which will help you to easily memorize the examples of animal kingdom. Now, what are the fundamental characteristics on the basis where we do animal kingdom? Like one is the symmetry, radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. What is the first phylum? First phylum is Porifera. Poriferans are asymmetric, right? And then next one is radial symmetry. Radial, if you talk about radial, it comes a circle, right? Now the phylums which start with C, they have radial symmetry, right? C means C with Cnidaria will come, C with Ctenophora will come, and C for Echinodermata. So leave this E, then it starts with Echinodermata. And don't take Chordata. Chordates are bilateral symmetrical animals because Chordates is an advanced phylum. Advanced phylum has advanced symmetry, that is bilateral symmetry. So radial symmetry, three phylums are there: second phylum, third phylum, and Echinodermates. So Cnidarians, Ctenophora, and Echinodermates come under radial symmetry. Again, Echinodermate exhibits radial and bilateral. The larva will exhibit bilateral symmetry, the adult will exhibit radial symmetry. Now next one is segmentation. Now which animals exhibit segmentation? There are three phylums which show metamerism or metameric segmentation. The body is divided to equal parts. Now in fruits, what is that fruit which has segments inside? Is anar, pomegranate. So anar is our code here for segmentation. ANAR, Cavo, means AN for Annelida, AR for Arthropoda, Cavo means Chordata. Annelida, Arthropoda and Chordata show metameric segmentation. In radial symmetry, we told three are exhibiting radial symmetry. First phylum I told it shows asymmetric, rest all will show bilateral symmetrical then, right? Now coming to the phylums, the first phylum is sponges. So the three examples for sponges are how to memorize them. Sponges, with sponge name itself is coming, right? Spongilla, Euspongia, and S should take you to Cycon. So the three examples for sponges are with the name itself: Spongilla, Euspongia, and S for Scypha. Scypha means it is Cycon. Euspongia is called bath sponge. Spongilla is freshwater sponge. Actually, sponges are generally marine. There is one freshwater sponge. What is that? If they ask you, the answer is Spongilla. Now, the second phylum is Coelenterata. Now, Coelenterata, how to memorize? There are so many examples under Coelenterata. How to memorize the examples of Coelenterata? The code what I have made is, कोई आदमी physics को करने के लिए brain, pen और God, right? की जरूरत है. So, in that the keywords are कोई आदमी physics को करने के लिए brain, pen or God, right? So koi means Coelenterata, admi means Adamsia, physics means Physalia, brain means brain coral, pen Penatula, aur Aurelia, God Gorgonia. That's it. So Adamsia is called sea anemone, Physalia is called Portuguese men of war, brain coral is called Meandrina, Penatula is called sea pen, Aurelia, jellyfish, Gorgonia is sea fan. So these are the examples for Coelenterata. The third phylum is Ctenophora. This is Ctenophora. For Ctenophora, example, C, Cteno should take you to Ctenoplana. Phora, P means Pleurobrachia. So Ctenophora, two examples are Ctenoplana and Pleurobrachia. Now the next phylum, the fourth phylum is Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes, see, plat means flat. So flat, F stands for fasciola, which is called liver fluke. T stands for Taenia, which is called tapeworm. Platy, P for planaria, which is also called digesia. The three examples of Platyhelminthes are flat means F for fasciola, T means Taenia, and platy for planaria. Coming to Aschelminthes, right? So Aschelminthes, this is the diagram of Ascaris. If you see the diagram of Ascaris clearly, there's a hook-like structure here. So it's hookworm. Cross section it shows round, so it's called roundworm. There's some gap here where we can fill. Fill should take you to filarial worm. So Ascalmanthus, 3 examples are hookworm, roundworm, filarial worm. Hookworm is also called Anachylostoma. Roundworm, this is the roundworm diagram only. It's called Ascaris. Filarial worm, which causes elephantiasis, filaria, is called as Ochraria. Now coming to the next phylum, Annelida. So Annelida, the name itself has the code N-E-L, N-E-L. N is for Nereis. E is for earthworm, its scientific name is Perithema. L is for leech, Hirudinaria. The 3 examples of Annelida are there in the name itself. N means Nereis, E means earthworm, L means leech. Now coming to the next phylum, Arthropoda. Arthropoda, you have to memorize your labs. So as a CBSE student or your state board student, how many labs do you have? Physics, chemistry, bio labs you have. 3 labs means L 3 times we have to write, A 3 times we have to write, B will write 1 time only. So the 3 L's are Lacifer, Locusta, Limulus. The 3 A's are Apis, Aedes, Anopheles. We will write Culex also. And B is for Bombyx. That's it. If you remember lab, the codes of arthropods, the examples of arthropods, you can easily memorize. So L for Lacifer, Locusta, Limulus. A for Apis, Aedes, Anopheles and Culex. B for Bombyx. Bombyx means it's silkworm. Apis means honeybee. Aedes and Anopheles are vectors, right? Culex is also a vector of mosquito. Now Lacifer is called lac insect. It gives that gummy substance which is used in postal things. Locusta is a gregarious pest. Limulus is called king crab, living fossilators, right? Now after arthropoda, what is the next phylum? The next phylum is mollusca. Now how to memorize the examples of mollusca? Like there's a sentence like mall, एक मॉल में सितंबर अक्टूबर मंथ में पिंक एप्पल्स को लो और दांत से चबाओ. सो मॉल में सितंबर अक्टूबर मंथ में पिंक एप्पल को लो और दांत से चबाओ. मॉल मीन्स मोलस्का, September month means sepia, October month means octopus, pink means pinctada, apple snail will come, aplysia also will come, lo means loligo will come, dant means dentalium will come, chabao chitoplura will come. These are the examples. मॉल में सितंबर अक्टूबर मंथ में पिंक एप्पल लो और दांत से चबाओ. सेपिया has cuts on its body. It's called cuttlefish. Octopus is called devilfish. Pinctada, pearls will be there, so it's called pearl oyster. Aplysia, it's hair, sea hair. Apple snail is snail only. Loligo is called squid. Dentalium, it will be like a tusk shell. Chitoplura is called chitin. So this is a code for mollusca. Now the next phylum is Echinodermata. The code for Echinodermata is A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. A stands for Astrias, starfish. B stands for brittle star, which is Ophyra. C stands for Cucumeria. D stands for dawn or antidon, you can say. And E for echinus or sea urchin. So what's the code? A for Astrias, B for brittle star, C for cucumber, D for dawn or antidon, E for echinus. Astrias, aster means starfish, brittle star, Ophyra, starfish and Ophyra pictures only they have given in NCERT. Now Cucumeria means it's cucumber like sea cucumber, antidon is lily like sea lily, and echinus is urchin like sea urchin. That's it, Echinodermata. Now coming to hemichordata, there are only 2 examples of hemichordata. Balanoglossus and Sarcoglossus. Take a screenshot, then we will see the mnemonics for chordata phylum.